Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about WordPress, the WordPress content management system. So this is going to be a full crash course that covers every area and topic on WordPress for both designers and developers. You don't need to understand this if you're just a beginner, but as you follow through the video, you're going to get to understand everything perfectly. So let's hop into the video without much ado. So let's start with WordPress. What is WordPress basically? So WordPress is a web content management system. It was originally created as a tool to publish blogs, but has evolved to support publishing other web content, including more traditional websites, mailing lists, and internet forum, media galleries, membership sites, learning management system, and online stores. Now, there are a million of things you can do with WordPress. WordPress was basically designed to be used for blog development, okay? Right? But the whole system has gotten more complex that you can use it to build just about anything, any kind of website. You can build an e-commerce website with WordPress. You could build a bank portal with WordPress. You can build so many things as you will see along the line in this video. I'm going to show you how to build wonderful things without having to touch any line of code with WordPress. Okay, so now that you have a basic understanding of what WordPress is, we need to also further get into how to use WordPress. There are two different versions of WordPress, from WordPress.org to WordPress.com. Okay, so there are two, WordPress.org. As you can see here, this is WordPress.com and this is WordPress.org. Okay, so now what's the difference between these two, WordPress.com and WordPress.org? Let's go and check on that. Now, WordPress is a piece of software, okay? A piece of software built with PHP that allows website publishers to be able to build any kind of website, like I've already said. And it's open source and available to everybody. You see, democratize publishing, the freedom to build, the freedom to change, the freedom to share. Okay. So now, if you go to the homepage of WordPress.org, you will be able to download the WordPress software. It's just a small piece of software, okay, that you can download and install on your server or your hosting company, right? And begin to configure the WordPress system to look like the way you want it to be, to get the website you're trying to build, any type of website you're trying to build. I can bet you that WordPress can handle it. So all you just need to do is to click Get WordPress and it will take you to the download page where you can download WordPress. Okay, so you see download and install it yourself. For anyone comfortable getting their own hosting and domain, download WordPress here. Now, what about WordPress.com? Now, WordPress.com is the one that has been hosted for you by WordPress. Like they host the whole thing for you. You just pay them a monthly fee, and you have access to the WordPress on their server. You don't need to, start buying hosting and all those kind of stuff. Everything is done here. They manage the hosting. So it's more like a managed WordPress for you. Then the other one, WordPress.org, is the hosted, self-hosted WordPress version. Okay. So here, WordPress.com, WordPress your way. Build and grow your website with the best way to WordPress, lightweight, fast hosting, intuitive, flexible editing, and everything you need to grow your site and audience back right in or baked right in. Okay, so now all you just need to do here is to sign up, pick up a template, and your site will be live on a domain like maybe your site.wordpress.com. Okay, which if you click get started here, but before we do that, let's go and check their plans and pricing and see. So the starter here, as you can see, is $4 per month, $48 billed annually. Second one, Explorer, $8, Creator 25, Entrepreneur 45, Cloud 65, and the Enterprise starting at $25,000 per year. So you see, these are the different plans. This one you pay for it and you select the plan and you have your site up and running. But they also have a free plan. Choose a plan today and unlock a powerful bundle of features or start with a free plan. So if you click the free plan here, you can actually sign up and have a free site hosted, but with a lot of limitations. A lot of limitations. Okay, so you can go out with your Google account or create an account using an email, and you'll be up and running with your WordPress site. So let's choose this. Continue with Google. Then we select this. We continue. So our account is being created. Let's give it some time. So now it's asking me what do I want to call my website. So let's just try short crash course. Okay. For short crash courses. Okay. So click continue. Okay, so now they're asking me to pick a design. So I'm not going to waste time, I'm just going to pick anything. So I'm going to go ahead and select. Okay, these ones are pro. You have to upgrade. This team is including the Explorer plan. Okay, so you see, this one is including the starter plan. So you have to go for something that is available for the free plan. So we go ahead and pick this. Okay, so now this is how our site is going to look like. It's showing us. So just go ahead and click continue. So let's get ready to launch. So now you see here's what to do next. Your website URL is going to be shortcrashcourse.wordpress.com. Okay. So because it's a free plan, if you want to connect a domain to it so that it's going to be your site.com or whatever domain you want to put.com, that means you have to upgrade, then choose a domain. Okay. So you can come here and search for a domain and select, and with a particular plan you choose, that will be added as part of your this thing. But we're not going to do that, so we're going to click back and go back to the free one. So this is the whole thing. Write your first post, edit your design, then launch your site. So we will just click ahead and say launch your site, turning on the lights. Okay, congrats, your site is live. Now you can head over to your site and share it with the world. So you see, this is what they give to you. Supercharge your website with a custom address that matches your blog, brand, or business. So you claim a domain. So let's just go ahead and click visit site and see how that looks like. So you see, this is shortcrashcourse.wordpress.com. You can create a free website like this on wordpress.com. But like I said, there are a few limitations that you're going to have if while using this. See the basic, all the things you have: settings, you have appearance. So for instance, let's go to themes and see you want to add a theme. For instance, you see that the number of themes you have are going to be limited. Okay, so you can only pick from the directory. I don't think they give you the option to upload a theme. Maybe you buy a professional premium theme and you want to upload it. I don't think they give that option because this is the hosted version of WordPress. So like I said, there are a lot of limitations. So let's check for plugins and see if we can install plugins. So this is plugins. So as you can see, okay, they give an option to upload plugin here, and there are other plugins here, Elementor and all that. You can click upload. Let's see. Okay, to continue, you need to upgrade. So as you can see, they don't allow you to upload plugin on the free version. You have to upgrade and so on and so forth. So guys, that is it for the WordPress.com. But this video, we're going to be focusing on this short crash course. We're going to be focusing more on the WordPress.org version of the WordPress content management system. So let's head over to WordPress.org. So now, as you can see here in this particular one, we don't need to, they don't have something to host it for us and all that. They just give you the software. Just as you see here, you can have this complete software and with unlimited functions and features, no limitation. You're hosting it on your server, you can do as you wish, and so on and so forth. So all you just need to do is to click download. So once you download it, the plugin will start downloading, which you can see here, WordPress is, and it's just 25 MB in size. Okay, so they have a community and other stuff you can join to learn and get more information. So now set up a hosting provider for anyone looking for the simplest way to start your recommended. Also, they have a few hosts they recommend and so on and so forth. So now when you're done installing the software, since it's a hosted one, you need to have your hosting server and you need to also have a domain mapped to the hosting server. Then you upload this piece of software on your server and install it on your server and then set up your site. Then you're going to see your WordPress site is going to go live. So the beautiful thing is that most hosting company have WordPress on their dashboard. You don't need to go through the manual process like this to download it, upload to server. You just log into your hosting platform. If it has cPanel, perfect. On cPanel, you see Softaculous, where you have a lot of softwares you can install on a click. So you can see WordPress among them and select WordPress. Choose your website directory, go ahead and click install. WordPress will be installed and be ready for you. But for the sake of learning, we're still going to undergo the process of manually uploading this piece of software on a hosting server and do the installation. Then, after that, we will still also show you how to do it the easier way, automatically using one of the softwares on our hosting company platform server. Okay, so guys, that is all it is for WordPress. So I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.